Hey, good afternoon, Sarah Watt. This is Mike Fortner looking over your post. I wanted to comment on this because I thought you did a very good job in pointing out something people don't always think about, but your drawing there, which is kind of funny, and also what you said about it is correct. When you're moving forward on the boat and you're stepping there on it, the force you apply to the boat can, when it's on a nice uh, movable surface like the water, it's going to cause that boat to move it back. Uh, And so when you take the step off the boat, it won't be where you thought it was, perhaps. And that could be, to say the least, embarrassing or dangerous. But you did a good job describing it, and the situation was well done as well. So very good work in describing the action-reaction pair in a entertaining manner with a great entertaining drawing. So I appreciate all those things.